Hello my beautiful moms and dads, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a grocery haul. It's been a really long time since I've done a grocery haul. This isn't everything. I actually have another store I need to go to, but I thought that I would go ahead and do a haul. And I also have another video for you guys that I'll do later today, which is a Dollar Tree haul. It's not a really big haul, but it's some things that I picked up, cleaning tools, and we'll do that later today. And you guys are getting me makeup free today, so don't judge me. But yeah, no makeup. I went out and ran some errands, and this is how I went, scarf and all. So anyway, let's jump into it. Before we get started, have you subscribed? Have you joined this crazy parenting family? If not, click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so much to show you. We're gonna start with the drinks on this side. So the first thing I picked up was some milk. I usually just get like whatever brand of the store, and everything that I bought today came from Walmart, and today is the great value milk. I also picked up some Simply juices. I got the Simply apple as well as the raspberry, I think, raspberry lemonade. We already have Simply orange juice, and if you've been with me for a while, you know that those are the only juices that I buy. It's Simply brand. I just like them better. I just make sure that my children have them in small doses because it is a lot of sugar. And I should also mention, guys, that we are changing our eating habits. We are going like 80% clean eating. We're not going 100% clean eating. I would say like 80% clean eating, because there are going to be times where I know I'm going to cook something with red meat. My family absolutely love nachos, and they absolutely love pepper steak, so it's inevitable that at some point I'm going to cook that. But for the most part, we're switching over to clean eating just because it's healthier. And we were talking about like living a healthier life. Like, I want to live a long life, but I want to live a long, healthy life. So there's some changes that we're making, such as working out together as a family, actually, and our eating habits. So you're going to see some things that are on the healthier side than what we usually do. And that's really it. So anyway, moving on. My kids really liked the Bulk House Farm Green Goodness smoothie. They like the Naked brand too, but for the most part I buy this one only because I broke my third blender. It was my third blender, and when I get my new one, it'll be the fourth one. So yeah. And then I got the Bulk House Farms vanilla chai tea, because it is my absolutely favorite cold chai tea. I don't even drink cold chai tea usually, but I came across this one day and I tried it, and y'all, when I say I love it, you will see this again in a favorites video. Nadia and I have our food favorites video that we'll be doing soon, so y'all probably see that again. I picked up some butter because we were out. Also got some squash and zucchini because I'm actually cooking that tonight. I'm gonna saute that with some onions. Salsa and guacamole. This is me and Nadia's favorite, like all-time favorite snack. We will eat this all day, every day. If I'm not even joking. I have to stop her from eating it. So I picked up some guacamole and some salsa, and the brand is the Fresh Cravings, and this is the mild, and then this is holy guacamole, and that's with WHOLLY guacamole. And I got two of those because we go through those quickly. And the chips that we rock with is the On the Border Cantina style, cafe style chips. I'm gonna try and move a little bit quicker because there's a lot of stuff. I also got some onions because I was completely out, and you gotta have onions for pretty much everything you cook. I got the kids some cuties. They go through these fairly quickly, so honestly I should have got another one, but that's okay. I also got some Baby Bell cheese because that's one of the kids' absolute favorite snacks. I got some croissants, and this is just from the Walmart bakery area. I also got a ton of shrimp because I cook a lot of different meals with shrimp, and I also saw a couple of recipes on Pinterest, and they were shrimp recipes, some shrimp tacos, some shrimp, what was that? Honey and something shrimp. But anyway, I'm gonna do a couple of shrimp recipes. Also got some chicken breasts, some chicken wings, and some chicken legs. Sorry, didn't pick that up. And I'm actually cooking the chicken legs tonight. I'm doing a balsamic chicken. Saw that on Pinterest as well, pulled it up, and it was so super easy. Like when I watched the video and read like the ingredients, it's so easy. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit because I'm a Southern girl and their seasonings wouldn't really own how we season. So I'm gonna tweak it a little bit to our liking as far as taste, but I'm excited about trying a new recipe. Sometimes we get stuck in the same old recipes like over and over again. So I wanna try something different. If you've been with me for a while, you know I'm always buying yellow rice. Like I love yellow rice. I feel like it goes with almost every meal. And I keep this particular brand because I can literally cook this in the microwave in one of my Pyrex dishes or my anchor dishes. Easiest thing for any mom or dad in the world when you're looking for a quick fix. This rice is everything. Just simply for the fact that you can put it in the microwave. 20 minutes later, you have the fluffiest, most delicious yellow rice. I'm not even playing. I wish they offered more than just the yellow rice in this bag, like wild rice or rice pilaf or something, because this rice is bomb, like bomb. Anyway, so that's that. I also got granola bars. These are my absolute favorite. It is the Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut. My homegirl Kim put me onto these sometime last year, and I've been addicted ever since. This is the almond one, and I got the big one. It's 18 bars in there, and my favorite one is actually the cashew one, but they only had the 12 pack, so whatever. I got them both. I also got chicken broth because as a cook, I just feel like having chicken broth and vegetable broth, it just makes everything taste homemade. Like even when I'm doing like a quick fix something, it just makes everything taste homemade. Like you made it from scratch, even because I cook corners all the time. All the time. So that's that. Also got some sugar in the raw, and it's the brand in the raw. And this is the cane sugar. This is for another video I'm actually doing for Valentine's Day, and it's just a sugar scrub that I'm gonna show you guys how to do. And yeah, I got yogurt. Now, my all-time favorite yogurt is Trader Joe's. Like, that's my everything. But I recently found out that Greek yogurt, in particular, plain Greek yogurt, has several health benefits. And I think I was reading like a couple of days ago online, I was reading an article, and this has some serious health benefits. So I decided that I would try it. I'm going to add my own fruit and my own honey because it suggests that if you're gonna add in fruit, don't purchase it with added fruit. Purchase it plain, and then you can add in your own fresh fruit or honey to sweeten it. So I got 4 of these for me. I'm gonna try them and see if I like them, and we'll go from there. I got the kids Yoplait yogurt because my kids go through yogurt like nobody's business. I have to stop them because you're not supposed to have yogurt every day because of the bacteria. I have to make sure I slow my kids down when it comes to that. I also got bagels because my kids eat bagels like they love bagels. So I got the blueberry and I got the plain. I also got cereal because this is the only cereal that Terrence will eat. Literally, he will not eat anything else. So I got Frosted Flakes, and my kids love the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I got that as well. Y'all know Terrence and his honey buns, so I had to buy honey buns as well. What? That's all the food, guys. That's it. That's all the food. So I'm gonna show you the other items that I like, household items that I had to get. But that covers like all the food items that I got today. And like I said, I still have more that I need to go and get. I spent, how much did I spend? I think this was $200 or like right at $200 for everything that I just showed you guys. So on top of that, I needed for my shark, I needed a new, the microfiber cleaning pad, because I took off my old one to wash it and I lost it. Like, I don't even understand, guys. I've completely cleaned my washroom, reorganized it and everything, and I don't know what happened to it. Like, I'm so confused what happened to it. But anyway, so I had to get another one of these. Y'all know this thing was $25. $25 for this thing. Like, why? Anyway, so got that. Needed to get refill for all of our soap dispensers, and I really want to purchase new soap dispenser for the kitchen, but that's neither here nor there. I was out of my favorite body wash, which is the Tree Hut. I've shown you guys this before. Tree Hut Moroccan Rose. I have other ones that I like as well, but this one is like my absolute favorite. I love the way it smells on my skin. So I got this as well because I'm down to like the very last of it. I also got some vitamins for myself and the kids. I was watching Nitra B, and she was talking about these new vitamins, and I had just said that I was going to start. Sorry, that's the house phone. I had just said that I was going to start taking some vitamins. My hair is not what it used to be, to say the least. It's not what it used to be. So anyway, I'm gonna start taking some vitamins in hopes that it help with not only my physical system but my hair. So I got the kids just the Walmart brand of vitamins, and it's the gummies. And so they'll be taking these because Riley definitely needs to start taking vitamins. His nose is always running. He has allergies, I know this. And so he does take medicine for that, but it's just nice to have vitamins in everyone's system. And that's it. God, I hope that video wasn't long. I tried to talk fast, but I hope I didn't talk too fast where you guys was like, what, Charity? These are the things that I purchased today, and if you guys like these grocery haul videos, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you have any recipe ideas, leave those comments down below as well. You can find me on all of my social media platforms, Fun with Chair Bear, on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, and I will see you guys in my next one.